Alright, this is a video to help out with worksheet H6-5 on more properties of logarithms. The directions for this one state simplify into one logarithm using the properties of logarithms. So for those of you who weren't in class, hopefully this will help you in case you had questions. I hope that you did your notes prior to trying to do the homework here. So starting out here, number 1, we have log of 3 minus log of 8. So this one's going to use the quotient property of logarithms here, which states that if we're subtracting two logs at the same base, we can combine these or rewrite them as a single log. And since we're subtracting the logs, that would mean that we would take the quotient of their values. So it would be the log of 3/8. And that's as far as we need to go there. We're just rewriting these logs as one logarithm statement. So number 2, it says 4 times the log of 3 minus 4 times the log of 8. Well, the first thing we have to take notice of is each of these logs has a coefficient. So we're going to need to use the power property of logs, and we're going to have to move that 4 back up as the exponent on each of those. So what we're looking at right now would be the log of 3 to the 4th power minus the log of 8 to the 4th power. And now, again, we can use the quotient property of logs. We could say that this is like the log of 3 to the 4th power over 8 to the 4th power, which right now we've established what it was asking us to do, rewriting it as one log, but we could take this and simplify this. We can do 3 to the 4th and 8 to the 4th powers here to get our answers. So when we do that, our 3 to the 4th power, right, is going to end up being 81. And then our 8 to the 4th power is going to end up being 4,096. So we could just take that one a little bit farther. Okay, so number 3, we have log of 7 minus 2 times the log of 12. Again, notice the coefficient out in front. So take it here, move that up as the exponent on our value. So we're looking at log of 7 minus the log of 12 squared. After you do that there, you'll get the log of 7 over 12 squared. And then we can go ahead and simplify just like on the last one. You're going to get the log of 7 over 144. And 7 over 144, since they don't have a common factor, it won't reduce, and that would end up being our answer. All right, I'll do one more here for this video. We've got 20 times log base 6 of u plus 5 times log base 6 of v. So again, we have coefficients on our logs. We've got to deal with those first. Now this is the first one we've had that wasn't base 10. So down here you see this is log base 6, this is log base 6. So really, as long as they're the same base, that's all that matters here. We're going to take these coefficients, put them up there. This one's just like the one in the notes. So we should have log base 6 of u to the 20th power plus log base 6 of v to the 5th. And since we're adding, now we're going to use the product property of logarithms, and we're going to combine this into one log as being log base 6 of the product u to the 20th times v to the 5th. And that is our answer. So this is problems numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 from worksheet H6-5. Hopefully if you have questions about these ones, this will help.